If you have 50,000 Naira, you can set up a business and possibly 10x it in your first 3 months. Now, the question is, what business can you start with 50,000 Naira? I know a lot of people think about different things to do when they talk about starting up a business. In this video, I'm going to share 5 businesses that you can start today with 50,000 Naira. My name is Charles and let's get into business. Now, the first business you can start with 50K is importation business. Yep, a lot of people overlook this business. Just think about it. Those things you buy every day, where does it come from? Most of it we are not produced in your country, in this case in Nigeria. If you live in Nigeria, that means, there must be someone somewhere at the other end of the supply chain that bring those products to your country. So this is a business that you can start with less than 50,000 Naira. The key is the niche of the product that you decide to sell. You can decide to sell or import baby wears. There are a lot of babies in Nigeria. A lot of babies are born every day. So you're surely going to sell if you understand where your target audience is hiding. All right. You can also sell car accessories, electronics, shoes, furnishings, and lights. So you can import most of these things from China at very low price and then sell them for 2x or 5x the price. But before you do that, you need to understand what your competitors' price range are and, understand the market where you want to go into before trying to, sell that thing that you want to sell. So you can sell kitchen appliances, blenders, toasters, and so on and so forth. And this can be bought from China. You can buy from 1688, you can buy from Alibaba, you can buy from AliExpress. Those are like the top trusted websites to buy from China. So let's say you buy a blender, for example, you buy a blender for 2,000 Naira. You can sell it for up to 15,000 Naira or 10,000 Naira. You can get like 10 pieces and then maybe use the balance and, ship it to Nigeria. The next business you can start is car wash business, washing cars for people. Now, you're not going to do it the normal way. You're not going to do the normal way of renting a shop and trying to get space for washing cars. And listen, you're in the new age. You're going to do it this way. You're going to take your 50,000 Naira. You're going to buy a pressure washer. Either buy electric powered handle or electric powered machine. You can get it from AliExpress or Alibaba. Just get it from the car market. Once you have that gotten, get your soaps, towel, and other things required for washing. Now, I want to share the interesting part. Understand that you will not be using your hand to manually wash the car. You're going to need a pressure washer to help you do this very fast. Now, this is the model. Instead of getting a space or a shop, you're going to sign customers up on subscription basis. So it's either once every week or twice every week or 4 times in a month. Just sign them up and wash their car at their desired location. It could be their home, it could be their office. You're going to just do the washing at a particular point where they want at their location. So it's going to be a home service kind of package. Sign them up and wash their car at their desired location, maybe their home or their office. All right. You will be going to them, not the other way around. So you'll be doing a car wash home service on subscription basis only. So you just have to cost your package, according to the timing and number of wash per month. Your target audience will be people in the rich neighborhood, people with nice cars, expensive cars, nice houses. They'll probably see more value in your business. All right. So you print out your flyers and share to people, create banners for free with Canva and set up yourself like a business. The quickest way to make money is to get clients and keep them on a subscription-based model. Doing that to give you 90% assurance, of passive income. If you're enjoying this video, like this video, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos on this channel. Now, if you're able to start and scale this particular business to 12 million turnover in 1 year, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to invest some millions to help you scale the business. I might even bring in other partners that are willing to help you scale the business. All right. The next business you can start is food business, but not the regular type of business. All right. This business model is simple. You get clients, which could be people or businesses, and cook for them. Now, here's the interesting part. You're not going to charge for a plate of food. Nope. Instead of that, what you'll be doing is you're going to charge your clients a subscription fee. They subscribe to your kitchen and then they get 2 meals every day for 7 days. So you can do it for 7 days, you can do it for 14 days, you can do it for 1 month. It all depends on how you want to structure the pricing and the model. So you're going to have food choices for each package. Now this structure is the best because you'll be spending the client's money to buy ingredients and food stuff that you use for cooking. So you won't buy tents and just keep. You use the client's money to buy. All you have to do is just to cook and then deliver the food to them. All right. Now, like I said before, subscription-based business model guarantees you passive income. So you want to lock your clients in with subscription. Okay. Target bachelors, target people at the offices, target, some rich neighborhoods, create flyers, create banners, and tell people about your business. This particular business, if you're able to turn over 15 million in 1 year, reach out to me and I'll be willing to invest millions to help you scale this business after due diligence has been done. All right. The next business you can start is exporting business. Do you know that in the UK, US, and other countries outside Nigeria, there is a huge need for African food produce? Now, what you're going to be doing is exporting food produce from Nigeria to overseas. In the UK, there are a lot of African shops, Asian shops, or Indian shops that need pepper, crayfish, goat's meat, and other kinds of, African produce. So what you have to do is locate a farmer. For example, if you want to export fish, look for a fish farm and partner with them. Look for shops in the UK or in the US and partner with them. You can, get their information from Google Maps. It is very easy. Go to Google Maps, get their information, reach out to them and offer to supply them farm produce, and do this in bulk. If you want to get more money from it, you have to do it in bulk, that you're going to supply them the produce. So once you've gotten an offer, you can speak with the farmer and then send the produce across. All right. So you can even go a step further to package and brand the produce before shipping it out of the country. Now, this is an easy method because you're not farming, you're reselling, which is the best and the safest way to do this. Now, the next business that you can start is laundry business. I know you're going to say, a lot of people are doing this right now. How will I break through? Listen, people wear clothes every day and they'll keep washing clothes. Most people don't have time to, wash and iron clothes, and all that is time consuming. The first thing you want to do is go online and search for fairly used washing machine because it's somehow quite expensive. You can get it for like this 40K or just ask around, get a fairly used iron and all of that. The next thing you want to do is to get clients, prepare your flyers and social media banners. Once that is done, you start your marketing. When you have a client, this is how you're going to render your service. Listen, you pick up the dirty clothes from the client's location, take it back home, dry clean it, and then you return it to the client. You also consider delivery when charging clients and all of that. So what you're going to do, you're going to set up a subscription-based model for certain number of clothes with delivery inclusive. Now, if the client is not able to, use up the number of clothes paid for that particular package, you can roll it over to the next month, which in this case would make the client not feel cheated. So you don't want to rent a shop and all that. You're going to waste money renting shop. No, especially when you're starting out, you don't want to do that. So you pick up the dirty clothes, dry clean it, and return it to the client. This is the best method. All right. This is the subscription-based method, and you have your clients locked in with this method for future services. So pick up an idea, implement it. All right. If you have questions regarding the businesses that I've talked about, just drop it, share it in the comment section. If you have ideas also, just drop it in the comment section. And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful video. And if you enjoyed this video, like it. All right. And there's another helpful video here I made, so you can just check it out.